The direction of self-employment is one aspect that many people tend to look. The interest paid in the areas of self-employment is as a result of the fact that it affords individuals the flexibility and freedom they need to be in total control of their lives. Whether you are considering leaving your current job or you are just looking for ways to make extra cash, being self-employed provides you with the opportunity you need. This video will enlighten you on 10 high-paying independent jobs. 1. Graphics designer. As a graphics designer, you can earn an average of $18.23 per hour. Jobs may range from customizing graphics for websites and applications, ebook mockups and covers for authors, advertisements and infographics for business owners, and other digital and printed material. A designer may decide to focus on working digitally or may own a design studio where he or she can also involve in print. Although prices may vary depending on the job at hand, generally, graphics design is a lucrative job. To start up this line requires that you have a basic knowledge of design and color theory and adequate skills to use various design software. For you to excel in this field, you must be open to learn new design patterns as they evolve. 2. Photographer. Photography is another high-paying self-employed job. As a photographer, you may choose to work in the entertainment industry or you may focus on building your brand. On average, photographers earn about $14.45 per hour depending on the path they choose. Photography refers to the use of cameras and other photography equipment to capture people, places, or events. A self-employed photographer may want to narrow down his specialization to one or more areas such as weddings, journalism, nature, food, etc. He or she may also choose to work as a freelancer or cover real events. A photographer who knows graphics has an advantage. To be exceptional in this field, one has to be skilled at handling standard photography equipment and also be knowledgeable in photo editing and the use of various software. 3. Hairstylist. Being a hairstylist goes beyond just fixing hair, coloring, and styling hair. Hairstylists educate individuals on issues regarding hair skill types, hair care, and product services. They also perform hair scalp attachment of synthetic hair pieces and shave services. Hairstylists make an average of $10.01 per hour. Hairstylist has to be grounded in the best practices to achieve different looks and also in various hair trends and products. You might also require a considerable sum of money to get quality equipment and hair products. Even in most areas, for you to start up as a hairstylist, you ought to get licensed in cosmetology or personal service industry. 4. Social media specialist. A social media specialist is required to understand the rudiments of various online tops and platforms. It involves learning and developing different strategies to handle social media platforms. Typically, social media specialists are employed by other brands and influential individuals. They also provide consulting services on media-related issues for organizations. The average earning of a social media expert per hour are $13.92. Kicking off in this field requires an in-depth knowledge of social media marketing, the use of online tools to drive engagement, and also the interpretation of analytics and performance. 5. Business consultant. As the competition in the business world becomes more intense, many organizations are in search of ways to improve their performance and productivity. Business consultants are individuals who develop strategies through which a business can increase their performance in a specific area. A business consultant can specialize in sales operations, management, work ethics, marketing, revenue generation, etc. Annually, a business consultant earns an average of $65,892. For you to start up with this, you have to develop a passion for a particular niche in the business field and to be skilled at it. A business consultant must also possess excellent communication and presentation skills and must be able to analyze performance in his or her field. 6. Landscaper. A landscaper can make between $5,000 to $50,000 in their first year and as much as $160,000 to $250,000 after a few years in the business. A landscaper is a person who installs and maintains plants, sods, trees, flowers and other external material to create attractive lawn and beautify the environment. One common trait among successful landscapers is their genuine love for the outdoors and growing things. This is what drives them daily to do what they do. There are diverse methods to build a business around landscaping, either residentially or commercially. Some of the other career paths in landscaping include gardening, interiorscaping, landscape designing, and lawn care. To begin the business of landscaping, you must develop a genuine passion for the outdoors and also understand the basics and different parts of landscaping. You must also be knowledgeable in turf management and proper care techniques. Furthermore, you may be required to get specific landscaping tools and professional certification from landscaping bodies such as the Professional Land Care Network, Planet, Landscape Contractors Association, and so on. 7. Writer. Writing is one of the most rewarding forms of self-employment. Writers can earn an average of $24.11 per hour. A writer can either work remotely or as a freelancer. Writing jobs can either be full-time or part-time, making it possible to get involved in other activities. Writing itself is classified into various categories, and each of these categories receives high pays. Freelance or remote writers write articles, books, scripts, ad copies, and other materials for individuals and organizations. Writers may also carry out research and edit write-ups. To start up as a writer, you must have excellent grammar and spelling skills, and you must be able to communicate understandably. 8. Videographer. As the name implies, a videographer uses filming equipment to cover videos for advertisement, enlightenment, marketing, education, and interviews. Many videographers work for themselves as freelancers and divide their days between traveling to various places to capture events and documentaries and working in office environments to edit the videos they have recorded. A videographer can receive an average payment of $31.82 in 1 hour. To begin as a videographer, you must be skilled in video, directing, editing, and creating professional footage. You must also be knowledgeable in use and setup and maintenance of video equipment, which may include digital cameras, recording cameras, spotlights or handheld lights, and other audio facilities. 9. Developer. An individual that uses computer languages to build, install, test, and maintain software and websites is a developer. The act of writing computer languages refers to programming or coding. The annual earnings of a developer is an average of $89,582. Knowledge and expertise in various programming languages make a developer outstanding. Some clients might require the services of a developer who is skilled at particular computer language. Hence, to excel in the business of software and website development, one must be up-to-date, versatile, and ready to learn. 10. Event planner. The job of an event planner is to manage every facet of a function. Activities involved in event planning include booking of a venue, organizing catering and entertainment services, decorations, and post-event cleanups. As an event planner, you can earn about $34,741 per hour, depending on the events and services required. Your communication and organization skills must be exceptional if you must succeed as an event planner. Also, an intending planner should have relationships with other local vendors to make planning more comfortable and more efficient. Whether you are a parent who wants to spend more time with family, a student who needs to work around a class schedule, or a person who aims to be an influential entrepreneur, these self-employment options will allow you to work just as less or as much as you want to. Deeply explore them and choose the best fit for you.